Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to enroll in our courses and how to see the contents after enrolled. Okay. So type rishabinformaticagroup.com in the Google. This is our website. Okay. Click on the courses here. Click on these courses. Okay. So you can see our courses. So live courses and recorded courses separately it is there. Then you can click on the latest IICS combo batch. Okay, 9. So this is the latest course. For example, get this course. Click on this get this course and click on this get this course here. And you can see here, if you have any special coupon code for discounts or anything, you can apply you can click here and then you can apply your coupon code. Or if you want to pay in installments, you can make the payment in the 2 installments. Click on this and you can pay through this. You will have 2 installments. If you want to pay fully, don't want to give anything. Okay, click on this get this course. Buy now. So here you have all the options to pay. Okay, you can pay through the net banking, you can pay through the cards, you can pay through the scanning also, phone pay, GPay, and UPI ID, everything is there. Okay, so as of now, I'm paying through this scanning only through my mobile. After paid, so then now the payment is confirming now, payment successful, like this it is showing. Congratulations, your payment is successful. So like this, after enrolled, what do you want to do? After purchase the course, how to get the content. Okay, so click on this login after purchased. So here you can log in through this portal. Okay, so organization code, you can give this organization code ZFGHUT. This is the organization code, and you can give your mobile number, whatever the number you have given while purchasing the course. Verify OTP. So like this, you can log in and you can see the courses, whatever you purchase the courses. Okay, click on this IICS combo full course and you can see the recordings and contents. Okay, click on this contents and you can see all the videos here. Okay, so this is what IICS combo full course. Click on this and you can see all the videos here. It will show all the videos with all the documents, day-wise videos and documents you can see here. Okay, and also if you have live classes, you can join the live classes here itself. Click on the live classes. And also you can go to our interview question and answers tab here. You will find a lot of interview question and answers. So different pages, you can scroll the pages like this. Page 1, page 2 like this. Top 50 interview question answers. 508 interview question answers of Informatica IICS IDMC. To get, you can click on this. It will open. Click here for 508. So you can see the document here. This is what the interview question answers you will find. So thank you all. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.